Okay, here we go. On number 4, um, this is 2 people, cost this much. What's left on the gift card, 6 people have this much. Therefore, you set it up in an equation, y2 minus y1, input, output. See, this is input, output, input, output. So you set it at y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Okay? And then you solve it and you get the price, the cost of 1 glass of iced tea. So make sure you determine the cost of 1 glass of iced tea. Make sure you answer it in a complete sentence. That's what I expect on your quiz, if it's explainable. Okay, let's do this review here because that's what's going to be on the quiz tomorrow. Right, sentence form, what is happening in this problem, include the initial value, where the graph starts and what it means. Let's start with that. The graph starts right here. This means 0 seconds. 0 seconds. These are in seconds, if you see. This is why labeling your graph is important. That way you know what it is. 0 seconds in 45 meters. So that's what it means. So without the labels, we won't know what the numbers represents. So the initial value is 0.45, which means that before they even start, 0 second means before they start, which means before they start, the starting time this person was, the object was at 45 meters. Check, make sure my unit is right. 45 meters, yes. Explaining the rate of change and unit rate. Okay, if you don't know how to count, make sure you pick 2 dots. You can use 0.45 and then any other dot that makes a whole number, let's say 5 and 20. You can choose something closer, choose whatever, but your unit rate is going to be the same. Your rate of change will be different because it's not reduced, but 5 seconds, 20 meters. I'm going to choose input 5 seconds. They go down 5 seconds, and they're at down 20 meters. So I'm going to use that. So this, I'm going to use this as my x1, y1, x2, y2. Okay? You can use anywhere on there. So if that's the case, y2, so the rate of change is, we'll just put the rate of change, same thing as slope or speed, is blank. Let's do that. Let's do here y2 minus, always write the formula to help you out. I will look for formula on the quiz, so make sure you write the formula. If you get it wrong, I will give you less points because I don't know where your error is. I'm not going to sit there and look. If it's all shown nicely, I will see 20 minus 45 over 5 minus 0. That's 25 over 5, negative 25 over 5. So your rate of change is negative 25 over 5, which means down 25 meters every 5 seconds. Which means the unit rate will be -5/1, meaning down 5 meters for every second. And the final value is right here. That's 9 second, 0 meters. Okay. The end value is 90, which means it took the object or person 9 seconds to get to the bottom. There we go. Okay. Now, this one here, Terry typed twice as many words as Cecilia. Terry typed twice, okay, we're talking about Terry. Typed twice, that's 2 times as many words as Cecilia. Okay, that's Terry. Paige typed, there's Paige. Type 5 words per minute less than Terry. Paige typed 5 words, oh, here's the word than, less than, so -5, than Terry. So it's Terry -5. Reggie. Reggie is next. Reggie is type 10's word more than Terry. So +10 more than Terry. Okay. How many words per minute does each person type if the total number of words minutes? Oh, okay. Now on the quiz, it'll be equal to a certain amount. It'll be like, well, is this the right one? I think so. Anyway, the only person we don't know is Cecilia, right? I don't know anything about Cecilia, so Cecilia gets the X. Okay. So this gets X, so Terry is 2X. If Terry is 2X, you get that. 2X -5 and 2X +10. Reggie and Cecilia. So Reggie and Cecilia equals 2 Terry and Paige. Reggie and Cecilia is 2x plus 10 and Terry is just 2x. Paige is 2x minus 5. Okay. Oh, why did I put 2 for Cecilia? Cecilia, I meant to put x. I'm tired, that's what it is. 3x plus 10 equals to 4x minus 5. Okay, so minus 3x, 10 equals to x minus 5, add 5, x equals to 15, and x belongs to Cecilia. So Cecilia has 15. This is 2 times 15, which makes it 30. 2 times 15 minus 5 is 25. 2 times 15 makes 30 plus 10 is 40. Okay, so type. Okay, so Terry, we'll start with Cecilia. Cecilia can type 15 words per minute. Okay. Terry type 30 words per minute. Paige, you guys finish the sentence. Okay, this one here, remember, when you have anything outside of the parentheses, with the parentheses like this, you multiply. Exponent of 1, okay, that gives you x to the negative 4 and 3 to the negative 2. These are next negative exponent rule. You cannot have negative exponents, so you move both of them down to the bottom. So 3 squared, x to the 4th, nothing on the numerator, so it's a 1. It's 1 over 9x to the 4th. This gets you 9m to the 4th. Okay, you add another m, that means you add the exponents times 4, so you get 36m to the 12th. 9 and 4 is 36. Reduce this. N to the 7th we subtract for division. Okay, so you get 1/2 n to the negative 4. That gives you, move this to the denominator, 1 over 2n to the 4th. Negative power rule. Okay, this one here, this is 18. This is square root of n to the 4th. Square root of 18 is 9 times 2. Take both square root. Square root of 9 is 3. Square root of 2 is unknown. Stay the square root of 2. And then n to the 4th, you divide by 2, you get n to the 2nd. Okay, back page. Domain is your x, so they give you your x. You need to find your y, so the missing one is your y. Okay, so you use this right here, x squared minus 10, so 4 squared minus 10. 16 minus 10 is 6. Missing number is 6. They give you the input, you find the output. So you do that for every one of them. Negative 2.2 squared minus 10. Use your calculator and calculate to find. And then graph. And make sure to explain if it's a function or not, okay? This will not be a function. This will be a function because the vertical line, if you notice, all the domains are different. Once the domain are different, it is a function. And if you draw a vertical line, it will only go through one point. You need to explain that all in here. Now this you cannot tell without a graph. So you need a graph to see if it's a domain or not. This is your x, or if it's a function or not. Okay? And we've done a lot of these. You make your own numbers. Most of you know how to do this. But you need to make sure explain the difference between the two. Make sure you use the word coefficient and constant. Okay? That's it.